Tired of struggling with grill brushes that either scratch your grill or lose their bristles mid-clean? Imagine a grill brush that cleans every corner thoroughly, without the worry of wire bristles falling off and ending up in your food. If that sounds like what you need, keep reading. This grill brush promises a safer, more effective clean every time. What sets this brush apart is its unique design featuring 3 rows of thicker stainless steel bristles. These bristles strike the perfect balance, stiff enough to tackle stubborn grime but flexible enough to avoid scratching your grill's surface. A simple 360-degree rotation cleans not just the grill's top but every edge and corner, cutting your cleaning time in half. Plus, the included solid scraper makes removing burnt-on residue easier than ever. Safety is a big concern with traditional wire brushes, and for good reason. Loose bristles can be dangerous. This brush addresses that head-on. Thanks to an improved twisting technology, the bristles are tightly secured to a heavy wire frame, drastically reducing the chance of wires shedding during use. It's a fast, efficient cleaning tool that grill enthusiasts can trust without hesitation. Handling this brush feels effortless thanks to its 18-inch reinforced handle. It offers excellent leverage while keeping your hands safely away from heat. The handle's design is reinforced for durability but remains slim enough for a comfortable grip. That means you don't have to sacrifice comfort for strength. You get both, making it easier to clean your grill thoroughly from top to bottom. Durability is another highlight. Made entirely from high-quality materials, this brush feels solid and well-balanced in your hand. It's built to withstand heavy pressure without breaking, cracking, or rusting. Unlike other brushes that fall apart after a few uses, this one is designed to last season after season. You can confidently apply as much force as needed, knowing the brush will hold up. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users have noted that the brush handle can break where the metal meets the plastic if too much pressure is applied or after extended use. However, this seems to be an exception rather than the rule, and the overall construction still offers a longer lifespan than many competitors. If you're serious about maintaining your grill and want a tool that combines safety, durability, and cleaning power, this brush is worth a look. It's designed to make your grill maintenance easier, safer, and more effective, helping you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your cookouts. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your grill cleaning routine.